In this video, we are talking about a concept called externally referenced drawing. In the previous video, we have imported civil 3D points into our drawing where a surveyor has been taken the survey points and we have imported that points into our drawing, but we still don't know whether these points are imported to the correct location. There's no clue for us whether we have imported the points to the correct location. So to ensure that, we are doing something called externally referenced drawing. So we are going to do that now. First, I am going to save this drawing as a separate file. To do that, I go here, application menu, browser, then you go to save as, then you type the file name as external reference, then click save. Now what I am going to do is I am going to externally reference the drawing into this current drawing. To do that, I am typing xref in my command bar. Place the cursor in your command bar, then type xref, XREF, and press enter. So you will be getting a small window like this. You can drag here and click here, this small drop down, click attach drawing. Then you go to desktop. In my case it is desktop, and you have to go to the Civil 3D data folder which I gave you. Then you click on this data folder here. Then click on this Topo Surveyor drawing. Click on this Topo Surveyor drawing and click open. So another small window will be appearing. Make sure this scale button is unchecked. This insertion point is unchecked. All these points are unchecked, and make sure the drawing units are meters. Then click OK. Then you will see there is a survey drawing appeared in our points drawing. It is an external drawing. It is not in this drawing. It is an external drawing. So we are creating an external reference, like we are looking something from a butter sheet. So we are something like that. So this is at the background, not inside this drawing, not on top of this drawing. It is inside the background. You will see the survey. So that is what you call externally referencing a survey. So if we have done something wrong in our point import option, that means if we have imported the points to a wrong location, so this survey and the points will not be coincide with each other. That is how you make sure that your points are imported to the current location. So if your both survey and points are at wrong locations, we can't help for that one. But if they are at the correct locations, but we have done it in the wrong, if we have done it in the wrong way, we can make sure that we have done something wrong by externally referencing a drawing. If we have done something wrong, this external reference drawing will not be coincide with this drawing. So I will close this external reference manager. Then you will see the points are these star edge points. That means the edge of the road points are connecting through a line. Then you have the we have some other lines also. Here you have another road going outside. Likewise there you have building edges. So that is how to externally reference a drawing. So if you don't need to see this drawing, you can unload it. So to unload it, you type xref again in your command bar and you go here or press on the xref and then press enter. So to avoid to hide this survey, you have to unload this one. Right click and unload. If you want to reload it again, you can reload it. Unload and reload. Likewise, if you want to remove this attachment from this drawing, you have to click this detach button. But I am not going to do it. So instead I can do unload for a moment if I need. Otherwise you can keep it with you by reloading the drawing. So that is how you create an external reference to a working drawing. So in the next video we are going to create a ground data model or ground model from the imported points.